Being the season that it is, I think it's time for my Labradors to try different citrus. We've got grapefruit, oranges, lemons, lime, and of course, cutie tangerines, an all-time favorite. Let's see how these dogs do. All right, Chief, look at this. This is a grapefruit, this is an orange. Right here, we have a lemon, sour, yes. Here we have a lime, right here. And last, we have cutie tangerines. Oh, you want this whole thing, huh? Sit. All right, Chief. Let's try one of these. Come here, here. How do you like the grapefruit, buddy? Time for your other review. Good boy. All right, buddy. Here's the big one, lemon. Oh no. Ooh, sour, huh? Here's the lime. Ooh, sour? Come here. All right. Ooh, that was pretty good, huh? Let's give you another one of those. You like that? Those are called tangerines. Those are cuties, buddy. What did you think, huh? Which one did you like the most? The grapefruit? You want another one? Because it seemed like you liked the tangerines more, but yeah, let's try it out. I thought you said you liked that one. All right, Chief. Well, thanks for your review, buddy. Come on. Let's go get Bear. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Say bye. All right, Bear. This is a grapefruit. This is your orange. This is your lemon. This is your lime. And last but not least, this is the tangerine, also known as the cutie, a worldwide favorite. All right, now we're gonna start things off with a red grapefruit. Not a fan? All right, buddy, time to try an orange. Bear? No? Not a fan? The oranges are good! Alright, let's try that lemon. Come on! No? Not a fan? Okay, alright. Well, I'm gonna set that there, okay? Bear, let's try the lime. No? You don't like any of these, buddy? You've got to like the cuties, though. Come on, you got to try one of these. Come here. Sit. Good boy. That one's good. Here. Yeah, no, this is the sour one. You're not going to want that one. Here, let's try another one of these. Clean that mouth out. Good boy. All right, buddy. What was your favorite? I'm gonna say it was definitely the tangerine. You didn't like any of the others, huh? Love you, buddy. Thanks for your awesome review. Thank you. Time to go get Daisy. Come on, buddy. Come on. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try each one. First one, grapefruit. Oh! Oh, Daisy, you tried that multiple times. I have to say, thank you. Dang, you finished it. Good girl. You did it. Good girl. All right, hold up. No, not that one. Next, orange. Good girl. How was that? Better? Well, good. Come on, come here. We got a couple more to try. Sit. Good girl. Good girl, Daisy. All right, now here's gonna be a tough one. This is called the lemon. Oh my gosh, you finished it, Daisy. Oh my goodness. Good girl. How was that? You didn't even flinch. Dang. All right, sit. Good girl. Good girl. Next one we're gonna try is the lime. Yeah, that's pretty sour. You don't have to finish that one. I was throwing that away. You don't have to eat the lime. Come here. This is the best one. Did you finish it? Oh, you did finish it. Daisy, you're a monster. Come here. Try your tangerine. Also known as the cutie. That's what you are. Another one? Mmm, yummies, huh? Here, you want another one? Sit. Good girl. Good girl, Daisy. Good girl. Well, don't be mad at me. Which one did you like, huh? Yeah, the cuties are the best. Good girl. Come on, let's go get Nike. Good girl. Thank you so much. You did a great job. Come on. Come on. Say bye. Good boy. Thank you so much for your patience. All right. Hold on. Sit. Oh, man. All right. Well, that's grapefruit. All right, come here. We have to try them one by one. You can't just go through all of them. Come here. Come on. You just try to eat the whole thing. You didn't even have a slice first. So, obviously you're a big fan of the grapefruit. All right, you all done with the grapefruit, buddy. Here's your orange. Let's go ahead and try one of these. Nike, come here. Come on, come here. Sit. Good boy. This is your orange. All right, how was that? Good? Here is the infamous sour lemon. Oh, that was pretty sour, huh? That's a lime. Also very sour. Not a fan? You don't have to finish it. Oh wait, hold up, don't get ahead of yourself, hold on. Come here. Nike, sit. Good boy. These are called cuties, also known as tangerines, or clementines. To be honest, I don't know the big difference, but they're all citrus, they're all somewhat similar. You like that? Is that good? All right, here's another one. Good boy, I'll give you some more. Cuties are good for you. Well, what did you think? I have to say, I think it's between, here, let's try another orange. Oh! You like the cuties, huh? Here, try this orange again. So what was your favorite, huh? We had the grapefruit, the oranges, the lemons, the limes, and lastly the cuties. Now, you're a huge fan of the grapefruits, huh? Yeah, I thought so. The oranges, what'd you think? All right. What about the lemons? Okay, yeah, I'm not a big fan either. Limes? Do you like the lime? Yeah, well, I love limes. honestly, but that's okay. To each his own. And then what did you think about the cuties? You love those, huh? Alright. Thanks so much. But first, let's say bye, okay? Say bye, buddy. See you later, man.